People have questions about gluten. Let me explain. I'm Susan Bowerman, registered dietitian, and gluten is one of those words we hear a lot. So what exactly is gluten? Simply stated, gluten is a protein, and it's found in wheat, it's found in rye, and it's found in barley. And this protein that's in wheat and rye and barley gives structure to baked goods. It what makes your bread have a nice texture and a nice rise to it. And like other proteins that we eat, it serves similar functions in the body. So protein helps you, for instance, build and maintain your muscle mass. So why, for instance, are people avoiding this protein? Well, some people's bodies actually cannot digest gluten at all, and those people are truly gluten intolerant, so they have to stay away from foods that have wheat or rye or barley in them. Other people say that when they stay away from gluten, they just feel better. They say they don't feel as bloated or they feel a little more clear-headed. And that's fine. There are plenty of other carbohydrate-containing foods that they can eat that aren't made from wheat or rye or barley. Now, the third reason that people often go gluten-free is because they feel it's a quick way to weight loss. Now, years ago, that was pretty much true. Because years ago, when people went gluten-free and we didn't have a lot of gluten-free products around, it meant you couldn't eat foods that were made with wheat and rye and barley. So that eliminated bread, it eliminated pasta, crackers, cereals, all kinds of starchy foods that were made from wheat. So what was left was lean proteins, fruits, vegetables. So people naturally started to lose a little bit of weight if they went gluten-free. The problem is that now, because everybody's going gluten-free it seems, the food manufacturers have given us all kinds of gluten-free foods, but they're not necessarily low calorie. I've seen gluten-free muffins with 400, 500 calories in them. So my message to you is this: if you want to go gluten-free, that's fine. There's plenty of alternatives, but be sure you know that gluten-free is not necessarily a quick way to weight loss, because gluten-free doesn't always mean low calorie.